out probably shit. Make it a win for the money you get. I'ma take pages to buy my shit a little bit. I'm a real little fuck. Take with the pockets to keep filling up like my hands are like I ain't never been under the world is useless. The assumption ain't nobody ever got down on me. Believe it, bitch, I'm always right. Someone gotta be the worker and put salt on the fries for the burgers. That's you, bro. Put a little oomph in the shit you talking. Ain't I something?
Good boy Flood on the stage. PSIELP in the building. Let's go. Yeah.
You don't want to get involved in this. Take 2 puffs and pause a bitch. I'm off of this. Might get complicated when this revolver spits. This shit why GOODPOY. When that guy so fly, I don't even think you can touch this. Yes, I'm sure, cause I can't be fucking with high together. We're well put together. Still your arms are clear. I'm better than BPS, maybe. I see this plan as the best one ever. My soul's never the whole failure. Residual type of achiever. Now, for my soul shame to the char and failure, so you don't hear me see me. Never lead to yourself in the back of your mind. I'm talking to 3 people at one time. Faces me how fortunate I am to remember every word, every line. The thing is, when I'm mobile, when I'm flying, I'm probably bitch at the same time. Like on a big sponge, only thing that you see. I don't want pilot in mind. I breathe every bit what's left in time. In one breath, I can make shit rewind. I dream it up on feet, and to get one more chance to make everything right this time. Possessed with an exception, no skills, create any old thing out of my mind. Life and hit purpose to this point position to make sure that it ain't straight. No minds with a rhyme, and on time. I guarantee that you don't try one line, but never to make a career killer without putting a minute to get just one thought. One rhyme, smother a motherfucker. You give me some duct tape in a plastic bag. I ain't murder a motherfucker. You was selling anybody using the most primitive pen as an area just like a motherfucker. Whenever a motherfucker can do it, you get a nigga to put every bit of what he can do with a motherfucker. If you get any nigga that gon' prove that left, you can do it, a nigga better for you, little motherfucker. That's probably know you ain't safe at home. It don't matter, I'm here waiting for you with your baby mother. Because in the nonsense, I'm your dad, your best friend. One nigga with you, your little brother. Leave it, baby, I'm all of ya. And I promise you, I won't stop till I leave rabbit holes in your stomach. Watch you leave bites in someone humpty. We talk to reach to this club apartment with a tip to let loose and blow apart. I ain't shit, shots of 60 with a guarantee to let fall and think. You don't really wanna get involved in this. Take 2 puffs and pause a bitch. I'm off of this. Might get complicated when this revolver splits. And this here why GOODPOY. I'm that guy so fly, I don't even think you can touch this. Yes, I'm sure cause I can't be fucked with. You don't really wanna get involved in this. Take 2 puffs and pause a bitch. I'm off of this. Might get complicated when this revolver splits. And this here why GOODPOY. I'm that guy so fly, I don't even think you can touch this. Yes, I'm sure cause I can't be fucked with.
Screw what you see. Right around top of them dogs.
Yeah. 2 o'clock on the glass. No reason.
No reason. Right around top of them dogs.
See me as you see me as an idiot in public. Get a pair of headphones, just bump me. Love every minute though. Basic assumption. Continue viewing me as nothing. I am not a Winslow, but more or less that nigga that came to present you and then fit you full of inventions to get you to see greatness out of potential within you. Is you mental? One question, never will I make simple. Easy for weak to be judgmental. To know me is something like now when buddy, I smell it. Can't figure me out for that, you regret. Every half step followed by the half step led to the same place with a slap led. You awake yet? Killers get screened to relieve from duty using the 5-ball stage. Ring is all you hear is the process cleans. Every bit of stupidity lost that stream. It's a cold struggle to hoe. Believe it or not, even your dogs can't tell. Rush and rush. To the easiest crap, leading the back to the That's all the black boy got here. I guarantee that we all out there on the block trapping every day this year. To the cops come and clear the atmosphere. Nothing that I say makes sense. Matter of fact, nothing ever does better. So either way that it goes. Till I hang up the phone and then about this. Where I find it belong. Ain't no way I could've got this wrong. I'm not saying every other place here's gone, but I can't stay here cause it's not my home. This place where I finally belong. Ain't no way I could've got this wrong. I'm not saying every other place here's gone, but I can't stay here cause it's not my home.
Mic check 1, 2.
Oh shit.
Part of me wants to poke you in the throat. Every time I see that face with a smirk, I wanna choke you up. What the fuck I gotta do to make it understand that it's not wise to test my patience, you should stand back. I'm trying not to be mean, but you're pushing it. I'm about to strip you of the pride, stick my foot in it, and grind it into the dirt. See the taste of pain I go through when my soul is hurting. I bet you're laughing right now, you think it's funny. So to see me bent I'm out of shape, no honey. Keep on left while the plotting ensues. I'ma record the whole thing and see movie reviews. They think it's a comedy, but the end is so tragic. And I'ma make it all disappear with some magic. A quick sprinkle, and a knot from the host. And watch them fade away in the mist, as if they were ghosts. Let them sing from the bottom of the building to the top of the ceiling. Let it all out. Let them sing. Got a lot of stuff on my mind, so I thought I'd take the time to let it all out. Let them sing. If I told you how I felt, it'd be like emptying the clip. There's no way you survive the words that came from my lips. Fully equipped to let it rip and let them all get a piece. But instead, I'ma fall back and chill and just speak a piece. But don't try me, cause the fire still burns. You never know when sparks pops up next for the turn. I heard about all the things you said and how you really feel. And it's kinda messed up, cause you so close, you stuck my heel. Damn, something like fam, but now it's kinda different. A little love lost, and did I forget to mention that it hurt me way down to my soul. How someone could go out their way to act so cold. You never know who's got your back and who's really frightened. Cause everyone has a smile, but I know they're up to something. Nothing like getting played by the ones you really care about. But at least I can say that you confirmed all my doubts. Let them sing from the bottom of the building to the top of the ceiling. Let it all out. Let them sing. Got a lot of stuff on my mind, so I thought I'd take the time to let it all out. Hey, I got a quick story to tell. And I'm gonna need y'all to
Y'all hands up in the air,
quick.
y'all feeling this shit. Yeah.
When I say see, you say diesel, see?
Diesel.
See?
Diesel.
I got a story to tell. I got a story to tell. Why you tripping when you said you were over it? Now you're acting crazy. Had a dream today and now you feel an extra cold. Should've took a long time ago. Chilling at a house party, posted up. Everybody feeling good, looking in the cups. I think you looking at me crazy like, what the fuck? Now I'm confused, wondering why your face is stuck. Being the friend that I am, I thought I'd ask you why. That's when I saw a little twitch pop up in your eye. Oh shit, it was way too late for me. You was snapping at the mouth already, making a scene, screaming at me about some shit that happened back in May. I said, hold up, fam, you know it's Valentine's Day 9 months ago. Really already said I was sorry, and you said it was cool and you accepted my apology. I guess that was a lie, cause the grudge you kept. And since I know how you feel, I better watch my step. If you were mad, you should've told me so. We could've settled this shit a long time ago. Why you tripping when you say you were over it? Now you're acting crazy. Had a dream today and now you're feeling extra cold. Should've took a long time ago.
We gonna try this one more time.
Yeah.
Raw, the Buddha abusers in the building. Don't be scared.
More than that.
If you like weed or know somebody that do, make some noise.
Go.
Yeah, yeah. Best believe it, boy. My eyes bleeding, boy. And I'll be damned if I ain't hitting it. And I'll be damned up. A million miles an hour, brain speed like a cheetah. Be the reason why I'm walking shell toe with my Adidas. For the reason seeker had the best keeper for the cheapest. What's cheaper if you're buying by the zips? Best believe I got a whole arsenal of blunts, long dead incredible. Jamaican shotgun, blow out every lumberable like hey. I'm hungry then and need a bunch of roll. Let's hit this stove, grab a couple sticks and 40 Lunchables. Yeah. And I'll be damned if I ain't hit you. And I'll be damned if I ain't get lit.
Smoke need to change my motor from being fucked up to getting fucked up to getting picked the fuck up. Whatever what? I give you puff puff, you give me puff puff. High till my head scuffed up. I fuck bruh, motivated by weed smoke and drug packaging. Tablets rapping my niggas triggers and drug trafficking. And innovations stimulates minds, combines havoc in my brain, spine, arms and hands with pins and tablets.
Yeah.
bleeding, boy. Yeah, eyes bleeding, boy. And I'll be damned if I ain't hit it. And I'll be damned if I ain't been lit. Yeah, best believe it, boy. Eyes bleeding, boy.
I am just
And I'll be damned if I ain't hit it. Welcome to a place where haters know that you fake shares. Eyes on them guys that stay there. Eyes on them guys they don't play fair. Eyes to the sky on the way there to a place where limits ain't clear. I'll be waiting until I get impatient with you. You make it with demonstrations. Out of here, I don't care, man. I'm a beast. TV without a clear. Gotta tear each beast out of where each secrets hit down the stairs. See what I prepare to be. See what down y'all prepare to see nightmares, cause I'm right there where you sleep. Wake up and I'm right there. Yeah, see, so fine, prepare the air to me. That guy apparently the air to be both sides. When I bring the air to speak, my ride, make it so you hear me. So I'm leaving you a bit of me for the purpose, cause this is worth a symphony. The real bit for me. If it didn't simply the truth, the only thing I do is it with me. Welcome to the deep end, baby, where the people come say to leave crazy. Niggas going for 80 of the boy lazy. I should take it so now. Lately I've been feeling just a little sick and tired of the people I've been dealing with. Let me have it, can I borrow this? Or let me just shut you up in your shit. This it? If you want this, I'm supposed to be private. Smiles, I don't really want to side you. Damn well I'm not gonna drive you. Too rude around here, boy. Who's scares around here, boy? Savages amongst men, cheddar flesh and buff you like we died in, boy. Never really been the type to be accepted by the hype. I'm just a little too cool. Smart enough to make you think I'm stupider than you. I didn't raise no fool. Born hustler, bonafide nigga, love myself. Go figure, I'ma need more money if you don't want me. Rick, I had to go for these. Watch where you go. Don't get lost out here. Watch where you go. Don't get lost out here. Watch where you go. Don't get lost out here. Watch where you go. Don't get lost out here, watch where you go. And don't get lost out here, watch where you go. Don't get lost out here, watch where you go. Don't get lost out here, watch where you go. Don't get lost out here. I used to always run away. From my cousin away. That's cuss slick to the back. The most baddest chicks. Out by morning. Like colder than average of what I've seen in a place that I like this. Like shorty's bad bags with good boy kids. Like fresh from the snake with the girls eat great. That bad, they never scared to clean up their place. Yeah, she a linguistic, stacking up cheese nips, frying up zucchini, fish and cheese nips. Got her own independent shiznit, bone like she grew up in Cleveland. Side high roll up, we chiefin', blowing nice dreams when we trying to get cheatin'. Bomb in the weekend, hot times for the good girl, but the keeper is what I'm scheming. I like that. She can grip thunder and lightning and wake up swift and beaming, squeezing, rat-tat-tat-tat-tat. Can't leave everybody here reeking. She's my freaking, whatever she thinking. 9 times out of 10, that's my weekend. I ain't gotta ask no questions, tell no lie. Boy cashed out on the frequent, high top sneakers, phones with features. When he's with headphones, girls with speakers. They'll just feed you, but make sure that I get paid. I'm running sure she keeps it. Need you. I just want a bad bitch. I just want a bad bitch. I just want a bad bitch. I hear you get some marriage. I just want a bad bitch. I just want a bad bitch. I just want a bad bitch. And girl, you be the coldest of what I've seen in a place like this. Like shorty's bad bags with good boy kids. Like fresh from the snake with the girls eat great. I ain't never scared to clean up their place. Yeah, she's in existence, stacking up cheese, then frying up zucchini, fish and chitlin. Got her own independent shiznit, bone like she grew up in Cleveland. She's my freaking, whatever she thinking. 9 times out of 10, that's my weekend. I ain't gotta ask no questions, tell no lie. Boy cashed out on the frequent, high top sneakers, phones with features. With his headphones with speakers and all just features, but make sure that I get billion. I'm blind and sure she keeps I need you. I just want a bad bitch. I just want a bad bitch. I just want a bad bitch. I hear you get no marriage. I just want a bad bitch. I just want a bad bitch. I just want a bad bitch. And girl, you beat up.
Yeah, P in the building. Thank you. Yeah. See how these niggas. Shout out to Measures. Thank you.